For those of you guys that have seen my previous videos, you guys know that I haven't been driving this car, mainly because it doesn't have tags. I don't know why it took me so long to Smog it, to be honest. But nonetheless, finally gonna go get a Smog right now, get the tags, and I'll be back to driving this thing because my Q doesn't work right now. I mean, it works, but no power steering, which means like it's hard to mix and hard to drive it. So I'm gonna probably be driving this thing around, meanwhile I find somebody to fix it. And after that, I'm more likely to actually get it ready to get sold. Kind of have my eyes on something else right now. So once that's fixed, that car's gonna go. And yeah. So anyways, right now, like I said, we're on the way to the Smog shop. I'm gonna get this thing tagged up and start driving this thing again. I cannot make this up, bro. I can't even get the Smog check right here. The homies from Sonora Smog. There's a little line, so I turned off the car. I went to turn it on because they told me to take it in. The car doesn't start. So ever since I got these big ass injectors, if I'm like under a certain amount of gas, it does not start, and my gauge does not read. And honestly, I haven't pumped gas in it in quite some time. I haven't really driven it, but I feel like it's around the time where it's like kind of low. Long story short, it does not start. So I'm stuck here. My girl's gonna pick me up and take me to go get some 85, and hopefully it starts. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what happens when you don't fix the gauge. This is what happens when you're trying to record part of your video. Just stop. Just turn it off. I'm gonna truth. Bro, you're kidding me, bro. Bro, I almost flipped out. Thank God it started. Thank God we got it to start, bro. I did not want to start. But I didn't want to start, put the camera down, and I started feathering the gas a little bit because I knew that should make it turn on. Thank God it did. I was scared, bro. I thought I was gonna have to go home in the tow truck. Shout out to my guys over here at Sonora Smog Check. Got my car right. If you guys need any type of smogs, I'll have their Instagram right here. Ask for the homie Rob. Tell him Jay sent you, and they'll get you right.
The next day.
What's up, YouTube? It is now the next day. Ended up making it home last night without a problem. I started the car right now, and I started up normally. Let's take it to the gym because I'm tired of borrowing my mom's car since my Q50 doesn't work either. It's so weird, bro. I miss daily driving this car, bro. I miss back in like 2019, 2020 when this car was NA. I would daily drive it. I would drive this thing every single day, everywhere. It was so cool, just like driving this thing to college back then, or the gym, anywhere, breaking necks everywhere, racing, anything I found on the freeway. Good times in it. I have too many good times in it. No matter what, I'll always keep it. I always said that I'm gonna keep this car till I'm old, like an old ass man. You're gonna catch me leaving the retirement home doing 50 rows on the freeway. I don't wanna abuse it too much. The moment I hit boost, in third gear at least, I think second will hold it. Well, at least it was when we were street tuning. The moment I hit boost in third, the intake always just pops off. Yeah, like I said before, this turbo kit was super perfect when it was stock block, making I think 15 pounds of boost. At most, I think right before it blew up, I think we hit like 17 pounds. But now that I'm hitting like over 20, yeah, the moment it sees that amount of boost, it'll just pop off the intake, which is no big deal. Like I said, now that the guy unfortunately did back out of buying this kit, I'm probably just gonna upgrade it. It's nothing major. Just fix the intake, re-weld it, and be able to hit all the boost. But yeah, guys, the turbo kit is still for sale for now. I'm gonna upgrade this little thing just so I can have some fun. Charge the power a little bit, have some fun with it. And plus, the only thing that does suck about selling this turbo kit, yesterday was a prime example. Like when I was driving it, so many people look at the turbo kit, so many people compliment it, break their necks. That's what's gonna hurt about selling it. Because once I get rid of this, I'm either gonna do a mid mount or a top mount. And obviously you're not gonna be able, well, the top mount, you'll be able to see it like at car meets or like at car shows when I pop the hood. But like this kit, like the car behind me can see it and they could like admire it or whatever, you know what I mean? That's what's gonna suck. Because I love how this kit looks, bro, especially from far. Especially with the slick in the back. I'm definitely gonna miss this kit. But yeah, I mean, if anybody's interested, now this kit, damn bro, this has been on my ass since back there. All right guys, made it to the gym. got, in my opinion, the best spot in the house. I always like to park in the corners next to like these sidewalks, so you get as close as possible, and then you can outdoor things. And you can see the car from inside the gym, so it's a win-win. And this thing was so good, bro, with the TEs. Haven't really even enjoyed this car with the TEs on, to be honest. I still need to get a taller tire too, and a slightly wider one. These are 255s, and I really want 265s, 40s, and lower it a little bit more from the front. But other than that, bro, it looks super good to me. Literally my dream setup. All right, guys, a couple hours later, made it out the gym. I love how this red hits at night, bro. The camera probably doesn't do it justice, but that's the main reason why I haven't wrapped it at night. It just hits so different. Speaking about color, speaking about wraps, I'm actually gonna go link up with the homie Chris at his barbershop. If you guys don't know, he cuts hair, and he's cutting up one of the homies. But the main reason we're going is because he actually just wrapped his car. He got it back a couple days ago, and I've yet to see it in person, so I'm gonna go check it out and be sure to show you guys as well. So let's go ahead and pull up to the shop. Made it to the shop, and of course, like always, this fool lied to me, and he's not here yet. Always, it always happens. Always, even when I get my own haircuts. I'm not getting a haircut, I'm just showing you guys the car. Whenever I'm like, oh, can I get a haircut at whatever time? 8 times out of 10 he's not here. He always gets here after me, bro. I think that's why we're such good friends. Both of our time management sucks. We're always like everywhere. Bro, after like freaking, literally like an hour. Put the motor back on. Bumping them bangers. Are you guys ready to see the color? 3, 2, 1. This man did a satin gray, I believe it's called satin dark gray, something like that. I'm not sure what brand of wrap it is, but it looks pretty good. I don't think I've ever seen a Z with this color, at least in person. Damn, bro, you suck. What happened? I've been here for like an hour.
I know. I don't know why you came so early. I never took your.
Yeah, it's like a satin dark gray. It looks pretty good, especially with RPF ones. These are actually the RPF ones that I had on the Q50. Funny story, he sold them to me because he was gonna sell the car. He had completely parted it out. He was gonna sell it, but pretty much from a moment to another, he was like, you know what, I'm gonna keep it. He pretty much asked me to sell him the wheels back. I did. He wrapped it, lowered it even more, threw the wheels on it. I actually bought this bumper from the homie Sergio. I think I recorded it. We went to go pick it up. Did his headlights. What else has he done so far? I think those carbon mirror caps, I think he bought them this time around. That's pretty much it. The car is NA right now. It is not boosted, but he actually told me the other day that he's gonna boost it again. So he's gonna be enjoying the boosted life yet again very soon. I think he just bought the turbo the other day. So what do you guys think? I actually thought about doing this color a couple years ago, but my heart just belongs to red. The only thing that sucks is that it's night, and I feel like the night doesn't really do this color justice. But even at night, it looks pretty good. Also in person, it looks kind of like black from a distance, so it looks pretty sick. I like it. What do you guys think? The build is not done, by the way, nowhere near done. I think he's going to buy a carbon fiber hood in the near future. I think probably like next week. After that, I'm not too sure what he's gonna do to the exterior, but he's gonna be boosting it again. So definitely excited to start making more content with my boy again. Back in 2020, 2021. He's been absent from the game for a while, but he's back and better. I'm not gonna lie, bro, I thought I'd never see these two cars together again. Well, like this one modified again. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna try to get him to build his motor too, so he could be a fast boy. He also cuts hair here at Sultan Cuts in Rialto. I'll leave his barber Instagram here if you guys need a cut. This is who cuts my hair, who cuts all the homies' hair. I just took a picture for Instagram, and this fool was like, "You should have told me to park my car in reverse." And I was like, "Oh, give me the keys," because he was cutting the homie's hair. And of course he didn't let me drive it. Alright, we're out of here. What the fuck? There you go. We're out of here. Do me a favor. I'm gonna have my boy's Instagram right here and his YouTube down in the description below. If you guys do me a favor and shoot him a follow. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. I think he's gonna start posting YouTube videos again. And show us some love, guys. Got some pretty sick plans for both cars coming very soon. And we actually might buy two of the same cars again after I sell my Q. Maybe.